numerous purchasers are re-evaluating the utilization of tissue and doing the change to bidets, and understandably. These helpful restroom gadgets have various advantages for the climate and individual cleanliness. It's assessed that Americans utilize 34 million rolls of tissue each day. However, bidets can diminish tissue use by 75% or more. The natural, independent bidets found in lavish lodgings are being rethought as imaginative, space-saving items, and they're acquiring in fame. One of the most expense-productive sorts is a bidet connection, a helpful contraption that can be effortlessly introduced into a current latrine. Commonly, bidet connections don't need power and comprise of a few varieties, including handheld gadgets, numerous wash streams, or warm and cool water splashes. Bidet connections are an incredible method for beginning with bidets. However, on the off chance that you're willing to spend somewhat more and approach a power plug close to your latrine, bidet situates frequently accompany added highlights for much more solace. Hi my friends and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I present you best bidet attachments for toilet. Before you start, subscribe to the channel and press the like button to be up to date with all the news. Let's begin. Number 5 in our top is from the PRISPA brand. The mechanical bidet attachment with single nozzle providing the deep cleansing in the bathroom. The self-cleansing, the nozzle retracts to the position after each wash, function ensures the personal hygiene. Non-electric, simply rotate the switch from middle to left or right, the water pressure from the gentle to strong. PRISPA provides high-quality bidet attachment with brass T-adapter, ceramic cores and braided steel hose. Less cost, longer life cycle. Initial ultra-slim 0.23-inch design for the bidet attachment, compatible with most toilets. The sinking nozzle frees the bumping from the toilet seat cover. The control knob is friendly to all ages, allows you to feel the water pressure from soft to strong in different levels. Clean the booty thoroughly within your control. Gentle water pressure for female, you could enjoy the soft spa for the sensitive area. Ultra-slim design with sturdy material, free you of the extra toilet seat bumper, easy installation within 10 minutes without plumber. Number 4 in our top is from the Veken brand. This non-electric bidet features dual nozzles for thorough posterior and feminine wash. Its easy-to-use control knob lets you adjust the water pressure to get the ideal stream. The streamlined, sleek bidet is designed to fit your existing toilet seat. To ensure hygiene, the bidet attachment comes with a self-cleaning nozzle mechanism for before and after use. Plus, it automatically retracts behind the guard gate once you're done, to keep it as clean as possible. This easy-to-install, advanced bidet readily fits most standard toilet seats. Simply unscrew the toilet seat, fit your bidet attachment, place the seat back, and you are good to go. The body of the bidet is made of an eco-friendly ABS material, while the accessories include a stainless steel T-valve and a braided steel water hose. This bidet is constructed for durability and long-term use. Installing a bidet is a more environmentally friendly choice than running through endless rolls of toilet paper. Using a bidet has also been proven to be more hygienic and less abrasive than wiping. We continue with the number 3 that is part of the Bath & Bum brand. No need to call a plumber. Opened adjustment plate with Bath & Bum bidet only needs to be inserted and rotated, makes installation of your bidet attachment so much easier for bottom mount toilet seat, including a simple easy-to-understand user manual. Bath & Bum's bidet attachment was made of high-quality materials, very durable and easy to use. The non-electric bidet with slim and sleek profile fits nicely under your toilet seat, which is compatible with even more toilets, elongated, square. Not compatible with arc-shaped, wall-hung. To keep hygiene to the max, the bidet attachment for toilet has a self-cleaning function for before and after use. The nozzles are housed in a protective case when they are not in use to keep them clean between uses. Bidet attachment of toilet comes with 2 separate nozzles for front and rear cleansing. Only spin and spray knob on the bidet to choose modes and adjust the water pressure, which goes from soft to strong, give you a comfortable wash. Bath and bum bidet attachment provides thorough cleaning for men and women with a flow of refreshing water, and helps you reduce the amount of toilet paper needed and save trees. Number 2 in our top is from the Veken brand. Bidet toilet seat attachment has 2 options. First is posterior wash, which can be used for thorough cleaning. Second is feminine wash, which is specially designed for women during their period and also great for pregnant mothers. The bidet sprayer for toilet is a convenient and hygienic way to wash your private parts. The unique nozzle self-cleaning function is designed to shield and protect your skin with every use. The nozzle can be cleaned before and after each use of the bidet. The water pressure control and cleaning mode of our bidet attachment for toilet can be adjusted separately. It is convenient for the elderly and children to use it. Just control the knob to adjust the pressure of water flow. The T-valve and water supply inlet are made of high-quality stainless steel instead of the typical plastic. This toilet bidet comes with the necessary accessories to get your bidet up and running in minutes. Detailed instructions makes the assembly extremely interesting and hassle-free. All you have to do is ensure proper measurement. And finally, the number 1 product in our top is part of the PIKETS brand. Get a fresh toilet experience at a reasonable price. Try washing the rear with fresh water, and you will immediately get clean and confident that you have never had before. The knob switch of the bidet is upgraded to a button design, which makes it easier to switch modes. Each mode is separately distinguished, simple, and clear. The water pressure knob allows you to adjust the water pressure more smoothly, creating a comfortable and easy-to-use experience. Simple installation process provides all the necessary parts that need to be used when installing the bidet. The bidet can be installed in just 15 minutes, and it's not that difficult. It does not need electricity to start. Really save paper towels, everyone thinks so. A bidet costs about the same as a box of 24 rolls of toilet paper and can last for years, which is sustainable. Which bidet attachment for toilet would you like to buy? Leave us a comment below. If you liked this video, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. See you soon. Bye.